Today's daily dose of math is a situation where we are being asked to use algebraic expressions to represent an unknown number. The situation is about a veggie garden and is shown in this diagram. The information is in this paragraph. I will put a row of corn plants along the back of the bed. That's shown in yellow. And I'm going to represent the number of corn plants I will buy with the expression x, as is already placed in the table. I don't know for sure yet how many corn plants I'm going to buy, so I'll just call it x number of corn plants. I have more information. I'm going to do the same number of bean plants as corn plants to make a row of beans, which is shown here with brown in the diagram. But I also want an extra 4 bean plants for the 4 corners of the garden bed. Then there's the pepper plants, which are shown in green. I need twice as many pepper plants as corn plants. That way I will have 2 rows of pepper in the front of the bed. Finally, there's the lettuce. I'm going to use the lettuce, which is shown with a red circle, to fill in all of these spaces. My arrows are only showing some of the spaces, but I'm going to fill in quite a few spaces, and I think that I'll need twice as many lettuce plants as I have bean plants. Now, what we're being asked to do in this problem is not to actually solve for x. We're never going to be required to find out how many corn plants are going to be planted. But that's the thing about algebra. Sometimes you use algebraic expressions and you can do a whole math problem without ever finding out what x is. This is one of those times. If x is the number of corn plants, what algebraic expressions should I put in the table for the bean, the pepper, and the lettuce? Let's start with the bean. It says we're doing the same number of bean as corn, so that would be x, but also an additional 4 bean plants in the corners. That means I'll be needing x plus 4 bean plants. Once I figure out how many corn plants I'm buying, I just have to add 4 to it, and I know how many bean plants to buy. Now we can move on to the pepper. I need twice as many pepper plants as I have corn plants. Corn plants is represented with x, so pepper plants will be represented with 2x. Once I know how many corn plants I'm buying, I'll multiply it by 2 and it'll tell me how many pepper plants to buy. Finally, there's the lettuce. I need twice as many lettuce plants as I have bean plants. Not twice as many as corn, twice as many as bean. And I already expressed bean as x plus 4. So I'll write it here. I need twice as many as x plus 4. I'd show that by multiplying the expression x plus 4 by 2. And if a student put this expression, 2 open bracket x plus 4 close bracket, into the table, the student would be correct. It's an algebraic expression that correctly shows how many lettuce plants I need. One last detail, though, is that that algebraic expression is not simplified. In order to get perfect marks on the question, the student should be able to simplify it. And all you have to do, in this case, is multiply the contents of the bracket by 2. 2 times x plus 4 is equal to 2x plus 8. 2x plus 8 is the simplified algebraic expression that I want to put in my table. Being able to represent unknown values with algebraic expressions is a crucial skill when you're doing math problems. That is today's Daily Dose of Math. Please like, subscribe, and share.